Hey everyone, welcome back to Intermedia Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Lavender Provence, and yes, I did say that right. I've had a huge discussion about this. Lavender Provence is a hybrid lavender cherished for its rich scent, long flower spikes, and incredible adaptability. It was bred in Provence region of France, where endless rows of purple wave across the hillsides every summer. This variety is known as a lavandine, a cross between English lavender and Portuguese lavender, which gives it its hardiness of one parent and the intense fragrance of the other. Provence grows in rounded, bushy mounds, typically reaching 24 to 36 inches tall and wide. Its slender silver green leaves create the perfect backdrop for its tall lavender blue flower spikes, which can stretch up to a foot above the foliage. Unlike some lavenders that stay compact, this one puts on a show. It's dramatic, romantic, and stunning in both garden beds and containers. The fragrance, absolutely unforgettable, sweet, clean, and deeply floral, like walking through a French perfumery. Provence lavender is often used in essential oils, potpourri, and linen sprays. Its blooms are packed with aromatic oils, making it a favorite for both herbalists and home gardeners who love to dry their own bundles. This lavender loves the sun. Full sun all day is ideal. The more light, the better the bloom and oil production. It thrives in well-drained, sandy, or loamy soil, and is remarkably drought-tolerant once established. Think Mediterranean, dry, rocky, breezy. Overwatering is the fastest way to make lavender unhappy. To keep your Provence lavender healthy and looking its best, give it a light prune in early spring and again after its first big bloom. This keeps the shape tidy and encourages strong, dense growth. When flowers begin to fade, snip them off for drying or to encourage more blooms during the season. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, they can't resist it. Provence is a pollinator magnet, so not only are you growing beauty and fragrance, you're also supporting your local ecosystem. And deer, they usually leave it alone thanks to the strong essential oils in the leaves. Provence lavender shines in mass plantings, borders, rock gardens, and large containers. Tuck it along walkways where you can brush past it and release the signature scent, or plant it near a patio for evening relaxation. Also, it is a favorite for cut flower arrangements, wreaths, and sachets, making it just as useful indoors as out. While some lavenders are too pungent for food, Provence can be used in culinary blends, desserts, teas, or infused syrups. Just use it sparingly. A touch of lavender, lemonade, honey, or shortbread brings a floral sophistication that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a lavender that's large, fragrant, resilient, and breathtakingly beautiful, Provence delivers. Thanks for joining me today. If you're a lavender lover or just getting started with herbs, be sure to like, subscribe for more plant profiles and gardening wisdom. Until next time, happy gardening.